Tia ng San Miguel 2013. The top 5. So I have the envelopes. Okay. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this top 5 will face the most nerve-wracking, nerve-damaging part of this program, the question and answer portion. And guys, for your information, these lovely candidates will be judged 30% basing on the ramp and 70% basing on their answers in the question and answer portion. Ready na po ba kayo malaman? Let's go! We will start first with the Lakan. Brace yourselves. In no particular order. The first spot and the top 5 belongs to you. Lakan. Lakan number 7. Alright. It's your time. Lakan. Lakan number 4. Okay. The third spot goes to you. Lakan number 9. The game is not done yet for you. Lakan. Lakan number 6. You are the last, but definitely not the least. Everyone is waiting for you. So please step forward. Lakan number 5. Alrighty. There you have it. Thank you so much for the guys. And it was really nice having you here. Thank you so much. And now we will proceed to the ladies. In no particular order, please step forward because it's your time to shine. Mucha number 1. Energy. Alright team. You deserve the spot. Mutia. Mutia number 7. candidate. Candidate number 3. Two spots left, ladies and gentlemen. Who will be in the top 5? Let's bring candidate. Candidate number 4. One spot left. You're the last, but definitely not the least. And we'll be facing the question and answer portion. Mutya number. Of course, Mutya number 5. Thank you so much, girls. It was a pleasure having you here. All right. Okay, so you can rest for a while, ladies and gentlemen, because after this intermission number, there will be no excuses. Congratulations, guys. Okay, we have the last crew. Intermission number 1 will be the question and answer portion, how it will be. Okay, so we adopted the Miss Earth way of having the question and answer portion. Di ba, Sir Joey? Okay, so we will be having 5 seats here, 1 for each of the candidates, and they will be seated, of course. So we will be having a little quiz over here. Oh, yan. Sige. You place it. Place it. And afterwards, they will be given folders and ball pen or pencil each. And then 1 question will be given by our judge. For the male, we have Mr. Pangan, and for the female is Miss Carlos. Okay, so 1 question for all of them. So they will be given 2 minutes to answer the specific question given to them by our judges. So after the 2 minutes, they will read what they have written in the folder or in the paper. Okay? So malinaw po. Let's bring back the boys. Let's go. So there is the folder and pencil. Let's go! Starting with candidate number 4, candidate number 7, candidate number 9, candidate number 6, and candidate number 5. So guys, ganito ang mechanics ng question and answer portion natin. You will be asked by Mr. Pangan 1 question, and you will be given 2 minutes to answer, to express all your thoughts in mind. And Mr. Pangan? Sir, after the time is up, no more, I will confiscate. I will confiscate your pens so that no more adding ons, okay? Okay, so I think Mr. Pangan is ready to give his question.
Congratulations first to the top 5. Here's my simple question.
Okay, silence please. You can express yourself either in Tagalog, Kapampangan. Okay, if the question is, they are asking me if the question is in English, if we can translate it in Tagalog so that they can understand very well. Okay. So, Mr. Pangan?
Yes, here's my simple question. If you were to be a thing, what will you want to be and why? Ito yung Tagalog translation. Kung magiging isang bagay ka, anong klaseng bagay ka at bakit?
Your timer or your time starts now. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Pencils up, please. So, may I have your pens? Okay. Gracias. Gracias. Okay, so we will start the reading of their answers with candidate number 4. So this is amounting to the 70% of their total score. Okay? Stand up. Stand up candidate number 4 and you will just read what is written in that on that folder, okay?
Kung magiging bagay man ako, ang pipiliin ko ay bato. Sapagkat ang bato ay simple lang at matigas. At dahil ang bato, at dahil being simple is simply the best. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Okay. Thank you so much. So candidate number 4, if he will be given a chance to be a thing or to be an object, he will be a rock. Candidate number 7.
Kung magiging bagay man ako, napili ko bulaklak. Dahil ang bulaklak, ito ay sumisimbolo sa pagmamahal. Ako, bilang isang pangkaraniwang tao, ako ay nagmamahal. Di lang sa mga taong mahal ko sa buhay, kundi sa lahat ng taong nakakaharap o nakakasalamuha ko. Maraming salamat.
Very brief and concise answer for candidate number 7. Huhuli kita dahil una ka natapos. Okay, candidate number 6.
Kung magiging bagay man ako, magiging akong pagkain. Dahil ang pagkain ang pinakapangunahing pangangailangan ng isang tao.
Okay, so he will be food. Oh, naman, because it is one of the basic necessity of a human person. Okay, candidate number 5.
Kung ako ay papipiliin, na naisip ko maging isang rosaryo. Dahil ang rosaryo ay simbolo ng Diyos. Ang rosaryo ay nagmumula at nagtatapos sa Diyos. Through God, nothing is impossible.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And, and of course, nauna ka natapos, so you will be the last to read your answer. Okay, let me see.
Hangin. Dahil kung wala ang hangin, hindi tayo mabubuhay.
Okay, ulitin ko po yung answer niya, baka hindi clear. Siya daw ay hangin. Dahil kung walang hangin, hindi tayo mabubuhay. Okay, thank you very much, boys. You can scoop over. Thank you so much. And later, sige, doon na yan. Thank you so much. Then, number 7, number 1, number 3, number 5, and Number 4. Okay. So just like what we had with the boys, ladies, you will be given. I'll go number 5 now. You will be given one question only, and that one question you can answer it through writing on that folder. You'll be given 2 minutes, and what you have written on that folder will be your answer, and your answer will provide the 70% of your total score. Okay, Miss Carlos.
Okay, here's my question. In what way can you help empower women's right? Okay, in Filipino, sa paanong paraan mo matutulungan ng kapwa mo kababaihan na maniwala sa sarili nilang kakayanan?
Your time starts now. Five, four, three, two, one. Time is up. Confiscation of pencils. Thank you so much. Gracias. Okay, we will now read their answers. Starting with candidate number 7. Okay, please stand up and read your answer.
Una po, gagawin ko, bibigyan ko ng advice bilang isang babae din. Alam ko lahat kami ay may kakayahan, respeto sa sarili, tiwala kung sino man ang nakakasalamuha namin, marunong makiharap, respetuhin, at pangalagaan kung anong meron kami.
Alright, candidate number 7. And now we will proceed to candidate number 1. Let's go, stand up.
My answer is, having been raised in a significantly moral upbringing and decent family, wherein their teachings were incorporated with values such as simplicity, respect, and above anything else, being brave to face any circumstance, be it easy or difficult. This is Camille Cruz Torres, greeting you. Blessed evening to all. If man can, why can't us women? Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Huli natin si candidate number 3. Okay, candidate number 5. Let's go.
Good evening. I think I can help by studying very hard because it is my way of proving to them that women are intelligent, educated, flexible, and are to be respected. Because I believe education and knowledge is the only thing we can hold forever. That's all.
Alright. Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And now we will proceed to candidate number 4.
Thank you. I will encourage them to join such an event like this, on where they can show their hidden talents and boost their self-esteem and confidence, and be able to face everyone with their best shots.
Alright. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. And last but definitely not the least, candidate number 3.
Sa pamamagitan ng pag-encourage sa kanila sa tamang paraan na kaya nila at dapat pasalamatan nila ang katangian na ibinigay ng Diyos.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay. They are sitting pretty already. Okay, thank you so much. And we can exit the stage first. Yes. And we will bring you back again after cleaning the chairs. Okay, organizers, so that we can bring back the boys and the girls. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause, Miss Maria Luisa Rosalejos.
Days passed by, and it has been a year since I was blessed to win the crown and reign as the Matiani San Miguel. For me, no material thing can ever match the fulfillment, joy, and gratitude I felt. Those feelings reminded me each day that as long as we give our best, stay true to ourselves, and feel proud of who we are, we can always win, not only in competitions, but also in any challenges life has to offer. Since then, I have grown into a lady who is more matured and sure of oneself. But of course, none of those things would be possible if it wasn't for the blessings of God, cheer from my friends, learnings from my handlers, and trust from the organizers. To everyone who have been there for me, especially to my family and my beloved boyfriend who became my loyal fans, thank you so much. To the candidates and to the next title holders, I pray that no matter what the results may be, you may grow and learn from this experience. And always remind yourselves what a beauty king and queen should be. Someone who's God-fearing, mindful of their actions, humble, and a man and a woman of substance. And as title holders, greater responsibilities have yet to come. I hope that you may enjoy and learn from them. Once again, thank you everyone. May this night be a great experience for all of us, and may the Lord bless us all.
Once again, Maria Luisa Rosalejos, Muchani San Miguel 2011. Okay, our Mucha would like to thank Pam and Kong Kong for her hair and makeup, our emotional Muchani San Miguel 2011. Okay, so come a little bit forward. Okay, stop. Yeah. There. Okay, so we are just waiting for the results. Dear tabulators, okay, I would like to thank once again MJ Audio, Pro Lights and Sounds, and also I would like to thank a lot of people First, the tabulators, SK officials, Russell, Janine, and Belle. And also the MYC president, Miss Camille Dizon. And also the SK officials would like to thank or to congratulate Zone 3 for winning the championship in San Miguel Interzone Basketball League 2013 Junior and Midget Edition or Midget Division. And also, I would like to thank San Miguel Pastoral Council, our major sponsor, headed by Sister Doll, Sister Luning, and Pauline Yambao, the Barangay Tanods and Barangay Kagawads, the San Miguel Teaching Force, Madam Genoveva Dumo, and Sir Jesus Cunanan. And also, we would like to thank our other sponsors, Honorable Mayor Leonora Wong, Councilor Dave Dumo, Councilor Nikki Ramos, Mr. Laurent Santos, Mr. Popoy Yambao, Congressman Ree P. Bondoc, former Barangay Captain Nestor Almario, Honorable Board Member Rick Yabon, and also Mr. Bex or Benigno Carlos. We would like also to thank TESA Committee 2013, headed by Mr. Jen Tux Pangan. Thank you for having me here. And also, I would like to thank the Pink Society, of course. The True Friends, Jonald Kennedy, Joey, Daphne, Reggie, Ronald, Doncha, Randall, Grace, Bella, Rem, Alexa, Sunny, and also to the friends, Tong, Moki, Pitts, Aaron, Bong. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dear tabulators, so our winners will be receiving sash and trophies. Okay, so our tabulators are having a hard time in figuring it out. Thank you so much once again, dear judges, for staying. I know it's already 2 in the morning when you are still there. And also, the supporters. Wala pa kanta na po ng sarili tao kasi alas 2 na. Alright. And in the end, it's all worth it. You're welcome. Okay. So, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. From now on, you will be the ambassador and ambassadress of Goodwill of San Miguel. O, diba? Taray, ambassador and ambassadress. Okay. Thank you so much for our dear presenters, the reigning Mucha, as you give your titles now. The Muchaning Barrio Fiesta 2011, Muchaning Turismo 2011, and our Muchaning San Miguel, and also our Lacan, Josh Manuel. Thank you for staying and also participating. Okay, so while they are having their you have 5 seconds to think. 5 seconds. You can thank everyone you want to thank. So while we are waiting for our dear tabulators, anyone you would like to thank?
Nais ko po magpasalamat, unang-una sa Panginoon. Kung wala po siya, wala din ako dito. Sa mga sumuporta sa akin, family ko, friends, classmate, best friend, thank you very much.
Okay, how about you, candidate number 1?
Of course, I thank God, my family, my friends, and of course the organizers of this event.
Okay, candidate number 3.
First of all, I thank God. Siyempre sa family ko at sa mga tita ko. Thank you.
Candidate number 4.
I would like to thank all the persons that are behind this event. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, candidate number 5.
Siyempre, unang-una, thank you kay God. Then, sa mga family ko na hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin. Yung mga makeup artists, at saka mga organizers and co-candidates. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay, let's go to the boys. How about you, candidate number 4?
First of all, I would like to thank God and to all people, Barangay San Miguel sa Simon, Pampanga. Thank you.
Alright! How are you?
Unang-una, salamat sa Diyos. Sa mga kaibigan tumulong sa akin. Sa mga kamag-anak ko. Yun lang, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil naging matagumpay ang patimpalak na ito. Tsaka nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumuporta sa akin tsaka sa pamilya ko.
Candidate number 7.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa Panginoon kasi hindi dahil sa kanya, wala rin ako dito. Sa mga organizers, Ken, Pam, sa mga kasama nila, sa family ko, sa handler ko, wala man siya ngayon, si ate ko. Kung kilala niyo po, si Jo Marie. Sa nanay ko, sa papa ko, sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat.
And last but definitely not the least,
First of all, God,
My family,
sa mga sumuporta,
sa'yo, at sa mga organizer, yun lang po.
alright. I have it. Thank you so much, and I would like to thank myself. I would like to thank myself for having myself here. Oh my gosh. Now I would like to thank the organizers and the major sponsors for having me here. Thank you so much. Wait. I have them. Okay. So alternate na to guys ha. Alternate na, no? To present oh my gosh. Dalakan Ning I don't know. To present the second runner-up, may we call him Mr. Joshua Manuel. So this is the Lacan second runner-up. So the second runner-up of Lacan will receive a sash, a cash prize, and a trophy later. And also the certificates will be given tomorrow. Yeah, you have certificates, guys. No. Whew. And our second runner-up for Lacan is Lacan number 4. The Mutya, second runner-up. Mutya. Okay, the second runner-up for Mutya ni San Miguel 2013 is Mutya number 7. Okay. Likewise, the second runner-up for the Mutya will receive a sash, a cash prize, and a trophy, and also a certificate later. And our first runner-up for Lacan. First runner-up po. And our first runner-up for Lacan is candidate number 9. Congratulations, candidate number 9. And our Mutya, first runner-up. Okay. Our Mutya, first runner-up. It's Mutya number 3. Mutya number 3 and Lakan, first runner-up number 9, will receive a sash and a cash prize. And now you guys are already title holders. Our Lakan Ning Turismo 2013. Lakan Ning Turismo 2013 will receive a sash, a cash prize, and a trophy. And our Lakan Ning Turismo 2013 is candidate number 7. And our Mutya Ning Turismo 2013 is candidate number 4. We went down to the 2 candidates that stood above the rest. Okay, to present the award for the Lakan Barrio Fiesta 2013 is Mr. Josh Manuel. And after, of course, announcing the Lakan Ning Barrio Fiesta will be the Lakan San Miguel. Okay, boys, come forward. Woohoo! Who will be the Lakan Ning Barrio Fiesta? The Lakan Ning Barrio Fiesta is Lakan number 6. And our Lakan Ning San Miguel is Lakan number 5. All right. Let's go, girls. Come in front. Who will be the Mutya Ning Barrio Fiesta? And who will be the Mutya Ning San Miguel 2013? To present the award, of course, we would like to acknowledge our Mutya Ning San Miguel 2011 and Miss Cristina Benco, our Mutya Ning Barrio Fiesta 2011. And Mutya Ning Barrio Fiesta